So my best friend Charlotte's cat has this infection called abscesses in her abdomen. Charlotte's cat is 2.5 years old and is named Kiki, and she needs to be saved. I spoke with Charlotte and I want to help her out, so I decided to make a video on it so more people know. Now I'll get to the details shortly, but if you don't want to know the details since they're a bit gross, skip ahead to the timestamp on screen. The infection that Kiki has is basically where pus comes out of her abdomen and needs to be washed with a lot of care. Charlotte told me that Kiki also got bumps on her belly from this too. This infection is caused when a bite or scratch or something like that on a cat gets filled up with bacteria underneath the skin. The cat's immune system tries to fight off the bacteria, but it ends up leading to inflammation and the accumulation of pus. That's where it comes from. The area where pus is formed basically walled off from the body, kind of like some sort of capsule around the whole infection, and could eventually rupture and drain. Okay, explanation over, but how can you help? If you look at the description, I've put a link for a GoFundMe page. If $800 is raised as soon as possible, then my best friend's cat can be saved. Please try to help out the situation, and any remaining money will go to an animal shelter in the Chateau Sherbrooke. Even the tiniest shred of money helps out. Please go to the website in the description for any other information. It will be in French, but there should be an English version somewhere. Please really think about this. I want to help out my best friend in any way I can.